We have another very easy HackerRank Python coding problem. It's called power modulo power. So they use mod here in the title. It stands for modulo, the modulo operator in your regular programming. In the previous video, we talked about exponents or the powers of something, and I used a notation that looked like this. For example, a to the power of b. Notice that I have two asterisks here. But in Python, you can also use the power function, which looks like this. I have power, then I have the first operand, I have the second operand, which is the exponents, and then I can close the parentheses like this. And this basically means a to the power of b. Now, in this coding challenge, we have two ways of using the power method. The first one looks like this, where we have to print the value of a to the power of b. The second one involves a third argument, which is this value here. And what this gives us is explained here. It will give you the results of a to the power of b modulo the value of m. You get the exponent a to the power of b, and then you would have the modulo operator and then m. What this means is if you have 3 to the power of 4, so you have 3 times 3 is 9, times 3 is 27, times 3 again is 81. This is why here we have 81. Now, if you try to do 81 modulo 5, the remainder is 1. So that's why the second line here is 1. So in the first line, they literally tell you what you have to print. We have 3 integers. I've already written those 3 lines of code here. I accept inputs 3 times, and then I convert the inputs to integers. So a, b, and m are now int variables. On the first line, I'm going to print a to the power of b. And on the second line, I'm going to print a to the power of b modulo m. So this is how you can do it. I have 2 lines. I have my print function. I don't need a different variable. I print a to the power of b. Second line, I print a to the power of b modulo m. And that's the whole logic for this HackerRank Python coding question called power modulo power. Let's submit this code right away. We have 2 test cases and we're done. So please subscribe if you like my Python solutions and my explanations, and stay tuned for more solutions.